You're a twat.
Do you know, one time we
twat.
were sitting here.
One time to the one time.
One time we were sitting here. You're like, oh, you like this song? It's really funny because he laughs at the end. Remember that?
Joe, I'm not going to have you ridicule me.
Jenny,
I know
Jenny,
exactly
Jenny.
the song you're thinking of.
Jenny.
And he
Jenny.
does laugh.
Jenny.
Jen, I've got a good song.
Jenny.
I've got a good song, mate.
Jenny, I dropped a zero out. Jenny, quick. Jenny.
Where?
There.
That's gone out, mate.
Oh no, it's not. No,
Sorry
please,
about that.
please. It's burning.
Oh, that one. It's
Oh,
gone out,
fuck,
mate. It's
it
old.
burned your fucking carpet.
Oh, this old thing. It's fine.
I'm so sorry.
It didn't even burn a hole, mate. So I don't know what you're worrying about.
How's your concentration going to come out?
It did.
You sound like a frog. You actually sound like a frog. No, it's hilarious.
What are you checking out, Mike?
Max, are you recording her?